Hello, everybody. Andrea Majewski here with Epicure. So check this out. This is the month that I have been waiting for literally all year because I know that they have amazing specials that come out. And for Boxing Week, it has come early because we were just so excited to announce our amazing specials. So check this out, you guys. Now, depending on when you're watching this video, some things may be sold out. Our pure cocoa and our baking powder has been now sold out, just FYI. I believe now the garlic peeler as well. The egg peeler is not sold out, but apparently everybody says it's the most amazing thing in the world. So I will be buying this. I have got to check that out. But look, you guys, now the one thing that I can definitely recommend, in fact, let me zoom in for you guys here. Can I zoom in? Maybe not because it's an image. Oh, yes, I can. Okay, can everybody see this okay? For the Boxing Week specials, by the way, if you guys aren't part of my group yet on Facebook, you should be, because you will have found out about that a lot sooner than YouTube, because sometimes I can't always get to do a video right away, but I will post on the group right away. So I will leave the link for you guys on the bottom. My Epicure group is called Clean Eating Without Sacrifice. So have a look. You will see like everything there. But I will highly recommend, if I was going to recommend only one thing, I would definitely recommend our Spill No More lid. This has changed my life. So you might be wondering, what the heck is this? Think about when you're boiling the water for pasta or pretty much anything. You walk away for 2 seconds and that's when it decides to boil over. Am I right? Happens to me all the time. Not since I got this lid. It will not happen. You can literally have your stovetop on high and leave for like 20 minutes, but don't obviously do that because that's a fire hazard. But the point is, it will not boil over with this lid. It's amazing. I did actually upload a video of this in action on my group on Facebook. So check it out. It's the most amazing thing ever. All of these are the most amazing thing ever, but I just kind of wanted to let you guys know my absolute favorite. This is the one, as silly as it sounds, and it's $12.50. This is for Canada, by the way, so I should have been specific initially. This is for Canada. If you would like to order any of these, let me know. You can do it online, super easy. I will leave the link for you guys on the bottom for that too. But there's a page 2. So for Canada, once again, check out these amazing specials. My absolute favorite, well, actually, I kind of have 2 favorites, if I can say that. But my first one is our cookware special. This is huge, $25.49. This is amazing because, do you guys see this tray here? This comes in our large multi-purpose steamer, but I love this tray because I actually put this in the microwave. So if I'm heating up like a bowl of soup or something, you should put a lid on it. Otherwise, it's just going to make a mess everywhere, right? Put this over top, it won't make a mess. So this is kind of like a kitchen hack for you. Our cheese maker, amazing. I have some pictures of making cheese on my Facebook group also. So have a look at that. Yes, it's an actual cheese maker. You can make your own cheese. The dish, I believe it's 2.5 cups worth, which is pretty awesome. So if you're making a dip, if you're, I don't know, making salsa, pretty much anything, it's amazing. And these things last forever. This is $20 alone, FYI. And for ice cubes, how cool is this? Like, you can put this in your punch bowl, you can put it in any drink of like any kind, and it's just something new, something exciting. But all of this is normally $84.95, only $25.49, you guys. That's huge. This would make a great gift idea for literally anybody. For somebody moving into their own house, for a college student, for somebody who you don't know what to buy for them, this would be amazing. So my second favorite, only $13, you guys, is this right here. Our herb and mushroom, zoom in on that one, has been so popular. This was released as a taste test, I think maybe 2 months ago, maybe even a month ago, I'm not sure. Everybody loved it. So with Epicure, our taste test means it is only available for limited time because they want to see how much people actually like it. So this is amazing. And same with the Oktoberfest mustard. This was only available for a limited time, you guys, but check it out. All of this, normally $26, only $13. Hello, amazing sale. So these are up to 70% off. Even if you're not thinking about something for yourself, although you probably are, this would make a great idea for somebody's birthday idea, for somebody moving into a new house, for a college student. If you're invited over somewhere and you're just told to bring something, well, this would be perfect, right? So check these out. Such a good sale. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you need anything and if you have any questions. I will be uploading a video shortly for the US Boxing Week special. So thank you guys so much.